In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Algolia. If you're wrapping up a work session, switching accounts, or using a shared computer, logging out of the Algolia dashboard is quick and helps keep your data secure. I'll show you exactly where the option lives and what to expect after you click it. These steps are the same on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux in any modern browser. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the Algolia dashboard in your browser and head to the main overview page. This is the landing area where you typically see your application's usage and recent activity. Before you sign out, take a second to make sure any changes you are making, like index settings or API rules, have been saved. Closing a tab isn't the same as logging out, so it's always a good idea to complete the sign out when you're done. Next, look to the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile control, usually an avatar or your initials. Click that to open the account menu. If your window is very narrow or you're on a smaller screen, the profile may be tucked behind a menu icon. Maximizing the window can make it easier to spot. When you click the profile area, a small drop-down appears with your account options. From that drop-down, choose Logout. The moment you select Logout, your current session ends and you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. If you had other dashboard tabs open, refreshing them will show that you're signed out there as well. That's all there is to it. 3 quick clicks and you're safely out. A couple of quick notes to round things out. If your organization uses single sign-on, logging out here signs you out of the Algolia dashboard session. Depending on your company's security setup, you may still be signed in with your identity provider in the background, which is normal. Follow your internal policy if you also need to end that session. If you're on a public or shared computer, consider closing the browser when you're finished for extra peace of mind. And if you don't see the profile menu, try widening the window or temporarily pausing aggressive content blocking extensions that can hide interface elements. To recap, open the Algolia dashboard overview, click your profile at the top right and select Logout. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you wrap up your work in Algolia with confidence.